I explain this? So, apparently, ranters are using AI to make their rants, like the script. And genuinely, I do not know why. Look, if you can't be creative, just become the AI at this point. Like, why the fuck? Why the fuck are you using AI to do like a normal human thing? You can just do, like, think. Are you brain dead or something? Genuinely, you're making our planet worse. There's already been littering. There's pollution for years. Like, bruh. And I've learned that in school, databases cannot make people AI databases. Like, they cannot make people sleep. They can't make people sleep. It's too much noise. They cannot make people sleep. Like, it's been going on for days for them. Like, I generally feel so bad for them, and you can die if you don't have sleep. It's making our planet worse. So, I generally do not know why you're using it. Just stop using AI.